Here we are on the Brewster Flats in Brewster, Massachusetts, which is about halfway along that dangling fishhook-shaped peninsula that we call Cape Cod. Now, the Brewster Flats are unique in that they are the widest tidal flat in the entire Western Hemisphere. Tidal flats are just coastal wetlands formed by the deposit of sand, silty sediments, clays, and marine animal detritus. If you come during high tide, you honestly would not even notice this succession of sandbars exists. Not only are these flats critical breeding grounds for migratory birds and fishes, they are also the playground for the obscure hobby of mudflat hiking. Now, I hadn't heard of mudflat hiking either, but apparently it is very popular in the Wadden Sea, where you can hike from island to island during low tide. Now, if you decide to go mudflat hiking, do get a guide, or at the very least, bring a tidal chart.